You know, winemaking is a pretty old art. They've found pieces of pottery in Persia that were 7,000 years old.
You feel like you have to have patience to make wine?
Yeah, absolutely. You cannot rush this business. And that's really what you're contributing to the aging of the wine is time. If you want to do it faster, you got to find something else to do.
You guys are kind of like one big family, aren't you?
Big time. That's what it's like.
So we're going to do 50 cases at 12 bottles a case. So we're going to do 600 corks today. What we're really doing is bottling it. It got made about a year and a half ago. So it's been in a barrel, and we take it out of the barrel to clarify it in one of those steel tanks, and then hook up this filler system and put it in a bottle. It's hard to sell wine by the gallon. The vines were planted in 2002, and we started making wine for ourselves in 2011.
How many bottlings do you call it?
How many a year?
Like when you today, how long is this process?
We'll do 50 cases.
50 cases, and how many have you done so far?
About 10.
10, so you got a ways to go.
Not very. Look at the clock. We only started at 10.
Yeah.
We'll be finished before noon.
Yeah.
That's was my dad's, and I've had it for quite a few years. And when we finished this off, I figured that was a really good place to put it. So we need all the help we can get. The other guy to the left there is St. Martin. He's the patron saint of vintners. We check in with him pretty regularly.
Who's with Liz?
Liz Pickett.
Met Liz.
She's our winemaker. And the guy next to her is Dante della Libra.
That's a name.
Is that correct?
That's correct. Perfect.
From Argentina, whose family's been in the wine business in Argentina. Okay? This is an eclectic international group.
Right.
Next to him is David Murphy, who's a friend of ours from Landrum, South Carolina. And next to him is my son, Charlie.
Hey, Charlie.
And we've all done this before. This is an experienced crew.
Hey. You see people in the golf course, they get mad. People that makes wine, they never mad. You know why, right? A mí me gusta el vino. I like the wine.
I guess I expect a certain taste or aroma or after finish, and when it meets those expectations, to me it's very, very pleasurable, very enjoyable. Our Chardonnay has got a certain taste to it, maybe similar to other Chardonnays, but it's got a certain taste to it. And when I feel that or see that, I know we've done a good job.